main players. This is your second call. San Beda University, Team B. Court number 3, please. Again, Ashland University, Team Go. Proceed to court number 3. Sir, now proceed to court number 8, please. Coach of UP. Yung coach ka ng University of the Philippines, proceed to court number 8. We will start the match. Court number 8, please. Referee